my channel. Hope you are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve a sleek low ponytail with your type 4 natural hair. As you can see, I have kinky hair, and most of the time people ask me how I'm able to achieve a sleek ponytail using my type of natural hair. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve that. Now, let's get into the video. As you can see, I have my hair sectioned into 6 parts, and this is my way of stretching my hair. For this look, I'm going to be using my ORS Smooth and Hold pudding, my Xtreme wetline gel, my bristle brush, and my water in a spray bottle. I'm going to start by taking out a part one at a time and work through it because it tends to make the process easier. I'm applying water to lock in more moisture. My leave-in conditioner to make it more manageable to work with. And then I'll take my Denman brush through, making sure that I start brushing from the ends before I go to the roots. I will then go ahead and add the ORS Smooth and Hold pudding. And mind you, I'm not applying any gel to the back until I get to the front where the hair is harder to hold and manage. I'll go in with my bristle brush to smooth it down and tie that portion with my hairband. I'll do the same thing to the other parts and keep adding them to the first ponytail. In the same way, I'll go through with water, my leave-in conditioner, the smoothing pudding, and then I'll add it all up. One thing I like about the ORS smoothing pudding is that it doesn't leave your hair flaky even after days of having it in your hair. And as you can see, I don't have to use too much also. Guys, make sure you have a strong headband so it can hold up your ponytail well. part, I'm making my part in the middle. This is optional though. You can have it on any side of your hair. I'm going to be repeating the same steps. And with this gel, just like the ORS, it doesn't leave your hair flaky, guys. Once I'm done with the gel and with the brush, I'm going to put it together with the back. Now, I'm going to add everything together to make it all into one piece neatly. I'm going to brush it down to slick it down better. And the hair looks like it's flaky right now with the gel and products, but they dry up pretty quick. I'm going to be using my Rapid styling strip and then my silky Durag. I did my edges off camera. Actually, I didn't do so much to it. I've come to realize that the styling strip tends to dry up the hair quicker because it makes it breathe. That's why I use it on my edges. I'm then going to be using my Durag on the full hair. Also, try as best as possible to tuck all the ends in so your hair can come out neatly. I'll then wait for about 30 minutes for the hair to dry up. So it's been about 30 to 40 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the scarf for us to see how our hair came out. Check it out. Came out so nice. It's the next morning and I'm ready to go to work. But before that, I want to show you guys how the hair looks and also how the military cover or hat fits perfectly on the hair. So here we go. And this is how I fit my cover or hat on it. Still looks great after taking it off. So this brings us to the end of the video and I'm hoping you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on any more videos you would like to see from me. And I'll see you all in the next one. But until then, I love you all and it's a bye.